Mm.
Okay.
Actually, yung river na yun, famous yun.
Hmm?
Sa ano, river walk din siya.
Ah,
Mm.
the river.
Pero mamaya, dito na tayo, papuntang JR naman tayo. So, papauwi naman. Pero, siyempre saan dito na tayo, let's go to the bamboo forest.
Mhm.
Sayang naman. You say that, oh, nakikita kami ng bamboo forest.
Let's see.
Dito during Pura. So beautiful, yeah. Ito mga to, lot of flowers. Pero yung kanina sa mga bus station, did you see parang mga puno-puno na during during autumn, that is yellow.
Mm.
Looks so beautiful too.
The crab. And then we sat
That's the
down.
purpose of it. I'm talking about during Saga, sabi niya, ang pinaka-last niya pala Saga Station.
Oh.
Yung sasakyan natin mamayang bus ay JR.
Mm.
Yan, lahat yan. It's all flowers. It's so nice to ang napunta nyo is so because this is the only time you come eh.
Mhm. Okay lang.
No, kasi this time, dapat siya.
Oh, really?
Daan na nga po. Naggastos sa sa Hawaii. Hawaii was not planned.
Ang galdo na, Hawaii.
And yung kinasal si Kenneth eh. Uy, what the hell?
Hindi nga ganyan eh, follow yun. Sabi mo pumasok. Nasa trabaho ko maraming ganyan.
What is it?
Fruit flies?
Oh, fruit flies.
Is that electrical?
Yeah.
Sounds like it, right?
Yeah, hybrid.
That sound? No, meron pa dito na. Meron dito dyan. Pero,